Hi viewers, welcome to another video. In this video, we will talk about car insurance plans could make a society safer. Today, we will discuss about here. So let's start our topics. Let's start our video. Please subscribe our channel for more insurance videos. Thank you. First of all, we will discuss about introductions. Introductions. Drivers who are exposed to traffic accidents are differentiated by insurance companies and Iran. For example, if someone does not use her call at her, she should pay to buy the insurance for the next year as much as the person who have driven his her car for several kilometers last year and has not used any insurance services in that year. This way of treating insurance customers have many flaws in different aspects. One flaw is the insurance company not using the potential of drivers to make more money, although it should not be main reason why the insurance companies would like to change the way they price their services. It can be good reason to consider other pricing options. More accurately, and the flaws in the assurance. Companies do not charge based upon the vehicle use, and thus those who tend to drive loss frequently as actually subsidizing the insurance cost of frequent drivers. As everybody now, more cars traveling, more accidents are like to happen. Besides driving more, acting careless or reckless. Lastly, when driving would make accident even more probable. As a result, this is impossible. A general cost of a society. General cost of a society imposed by a portion of people should not be paid by all society. At least part of it must be paid of those drivers who are acting in an improper manners. The other flaw of this type of insurance pricing is that does not have any share in transportations. Demand management one of way of to manage traffic and avoid the congestions to increase the price of personal vehicles uses or indirectly. One of indirect way to increase the personal cost of vehicle is to increase the insurance price of the in proportional with driving kilometer as the mentioned to before. The current type of insurance pricing pricing strategies are not in a way that would make people consider not using their vehicles more often. Other insurance strategies which have been under research act differently. Those strategies try to consider issues like the vehicle's kilometer when selling the insurance. The mentioned strategy, which can be called simply mileage or kilometer strategy, is a simple modification which can lead to less car usage if implemented correctly. The only difficult is charging the insurance according to the mileage or kilometer is the implementation problem if it was not for the turning back adopter. The mileage in each years you can easily be recorded by the insurance company to price the new insurance. The other type of insurance strategy is based on the recorded speed profile on the vehicles. In this type of insurance promotions strategy, the driver would be discounted if she has drove above speed less than a specific amount of kilometers. Although driving above the speed limits can cause accident, this type of promotion can decrease the number of people driving unsafe with high speeds. The advantages of these insurance strategies can include it as following as increasing accuracy of insurance price calculation. Number 2, increasing safety due to drivers behavior change. Number 3, decreasing total vehicles kilometer as a result, decrease in congestion roads, maintenance cost, fuel uses and pollution emission. Number 4, developing a tool which would make reckless drivers to pay for the incurred cost of their improper behavior. Number 5, changing the fixed cost of personal vehicle to variable and operational cost and as a result reductions of the personal vehicle usage. The disadvantages of difficulties implement these type of insurance strategies are requirement of developing new methods to estimate the risk of different drivers, behavior to estimate the proportions, and price of insurance service of each year, need to install new instrument or vehicles in some strategies like speed-based promotions, difficulty in predicting the value of insurance for the new year before ending in the current contract, possible opposition in some situation. Some institutions and agencies implement of this scenario. Respecting to all mentioned advantages and current flaws, there remains in improper question to answer. The question which is the main reason of conducting this stands. Question to answer. The question which is the main reason of conducting their research and which extent it would be accepted by the public and how they would prefer it to change their insurance plans. Although all implementation issues are important, it is vital to make sure that people would change their insurance plan willingly so that companies implementing these type of insurance plan would like with their market share. The mentioned question and even the implementation is we have their studied and different researches have been done by the results can't be used directly in Iran. As a result, different cultures, issued and driving situation or even different laws. It is recommended to conduct study like this in order to investigate the attitude of people toward insurance plan change. In following section of their paper, short history and conducted research are there toward insurance of the plan. In following section of this paper should history of conducting research and the result would be presented. Then the methodology and data gathering process used the research would be deprecated and finally the conclusion would be made. Number 2 point literature reviews. The insurance plan based on the decision were proposed by the Vickery in 1968. Vickery in his paper demonstrated the cost of the traffic accident in the United States between 8 to 12 billion dollars a year. Deprecated that accident cost in being paid promotion early by the government, which is the same giving subsidies to those traveling by a car. He shows that paying premium included in fixed cost of a car, it does not have any effect on choices like letting young people to drive to taking bus instead of a car. He excavates ways of distance based premium promotion despite the facts that automakers can be rest. He prevents that the premium can be based on tires or gasoline instead of distance itself. Okay, my viewers, today we will close our topic. On the next video we will continue our topic. Hope you are understand about this topic. We will meet up next video. Thank you. Goodbye. Have a nice day. Subscribe our channel for more videos.